A funny thing about having a process is when you have a process, you have a way of measuring what you're doing. And when you can measure it, you can fix it. I can't in 2 hours sales train you, but in 2 hours, I can hit one sweet spot. I don't want to look at my client and go, kind of looks like they're ready for change. I want to figure out what questions I can ask to prove it's time for me to offer solutions. My goal is to have you leave that door with at least 2 repeatable, predictable processes that you can repeat when you get out of here. I talk about urgency. Urgency, we're going to move them over that line. We're not done with it yet. How easy it is to let our guard down and think we're selling when we're talking. Everything that I do, anything that I work with you on, anything that you read from me should not be style related. You are allowed to keep saying, okay, that's an East Coast guy, he's kind of a wacky guy, I'm not quite that way. How do I do what this guy just taught me technique-wise and make it feel like me? And the answer is, your style will be just fine, but let's put some good, solid processes behind it. But I can tell you, it's not mean, it's merciful. It's merciful when you can save a business here asking questions perhaps they've never been asked before that don't make people feel all that comfortable. How about we earn the right to ask them and do it? Let's do this.